Project code ITPY IP06. Project title Animal Classification using CNN. So generally animal biometric system, what we're going to do in animal biometric system, they detect the animals in real time. So in our project, what we're going to do, we are going to collect the data set of different animals, and after collecting the data set of different animals, we are going to train a DL model. DL model is nothing but a deep learning model where we use an CNN algorithm. After training these images, we are going to deploy our model in GUI. GUI is the graphical user interface. So after once we deployed our model, when we give a new image to the GUI, the model will classify whether which type of animal it is. So existing concept. In existing concept, they have used virtual reality. So virtual reality is an application. So where they have used the visual, auditory, and olfactory of systems. So they have used more sensors to track the animal behavior. The drawbacks in that is they have not focused on CNN, which is a classifier. They just have monitored the sensors of the animals, so they have used it to track it. So in our proposed system, what we are going to do is we are going to collect the input images, that is the data set of different type of animals. After collecting the data set, we will use CNN algorithm. In CNN, we will use LENet, which is one type of CNN algorithm where the model is built using this algorithm. After building the model, we will deploy the model in GUI by converting the trained model into .h5 file. Once the deployment is over, we can upload an input image in the GUI, and the output will be whether which type of the animal we have given the input. So mainly advantage of this is we can easily understand the animals, like the classification can be done easily with this model. So in existing what they have used VR technology. Our proposed algorithm, we are going to use LENet CNN. CNN is convolution neural network, and the additional packages we are going to use are TensorFlow and Keras, which are the deep learning packages to build the CNN model. So this is our architecture diagram. So first, what we are going to do is we are going to first train. We are going to first train the model. So to train the model, the main thing we need is data. So for data, we will take different animal images. So after collecting the images, we are going to train using the TensorFlow packages. So in TensorFlow, with TensorFlow we can build an CNN model. When after the model is built, we are going to use the GUI. I mean, before that, we will convert the model into .h5 file. After converting the model to .h5 file, we are going to deploy that in our GUI. That is, GUI is created using the Tkinter package. Once the model was deployed, we will use that model, the GUI, to classify which type of animal is it. So the real-time application, we can use this model for security purpose in villages. We are hearing that there are so many animals coming to farms, but with these models, we can get better security. The future enhancement is we can use it as real-time detections in the juice by adding some extra hardware features. The software we are going to use in this is Annaconda with Jupyter Notebook. So why we are using this software is Anaconda is have default packages which are installed pre-installed, and Jupyter is a free and open source. So for main data analysis and everything, Jupyter Notebook will be a good environment. So these are the hardware requirements for our project. Thank you.